Trace figures are illustrative figures created to capture the essence of a situation, limiting their graphical description to the most important outlines of the depicted objects and people. They are gaining popularity in the interaction design community and can be found in many papers, presentations, and posters. We propose Esquisse, a novel method relying on an innovative 3D staging workflow to facilitate the creation of vector-based trace figures. The workflow implemented by Esquisse is as follows. The user creates a 3D scene using one of the existing templates or builds the scene from scratch by adding objects one by one. She then manipulates the scene in the 3D modeling software to modify the position and pose of objects as needed. The user sets the camera point of view by simply moving the viewport. Finally, she clicks on Render to produce a vector-based trace figure of the 3D scene. Esquisse provides several techniques that simplify the manipulation of 3D objects in the scene. It allows an interface to be overlaid on any device screen in the scene. Simple sliders can be used to specify the flexion of each finger of hand and character models. And a leap motion integration is provided to control real-time hand poses. Anchors can be created on any object to automatically adapt the pose of a hand or character when the anchor is moved using inverse kinematics model. Finally, it allows illustrating a movement with a stroboscopic effect by easily defining different keyframes. We evaluated Esquisse by asking 8 participants who were unfamiliar with Blender to illustrate interactions from the literature. Our results show that Esquisse allows users to easily and rapidly produce satisfying trace figures.